Guys, kuha muna kami ng ticket. Si Mar, tsaka kasi may makakapasok pag walang ticket. So kasama ko si Welmar Altobar Vlog at si Survivors Vlog, si Simples Vlog, at saka si Welmar Altobar Vlog. Ano yung Facebook page mo, Mar?
Ano na siya ngayon?
Welmar Altobar, di ba? Welmar Altobar. At yung sa'yo,
Buena Manong Soliven.
Buena Manong Soliven, ang kanyang Facebook page. Please, paki-follow po.
Kung may diwata, may inkanto.
Ayan ang number 8.
Ayan na. So, andito na guys yung bus na aanohan namin. Bus number 8.
Ay walang tao-tao, maganda. Tara.
Dito tayo sa ano?
Oh. Di kasi magbabayad pa tayo.
Dito tayo magbabayad.
Babayad.
Next. More. Ayan, so nandito na kami sa bus. Kasi pupunta na kami sa Riyadh Boulevard.
Ayun yata ang ano. Sumpa dyan, mga puso dyan.
District. Pababa ka na. Di ba dito ka lang, Mar? Marimar. Di ba dito ka lang? So yung welcome Mar sa Takasushi. Nag-enjoy si Mar sa Takasushi Road. Dito daw yung mga friendship niya nagtatrabaho. Balak na lang, kaya binalak na rin ni Mar na dito na rin siya magtatrabaho. Kasi yung friendship niya nandito. So mababa kami doon sa King Abdullah Financial District. Then, sasakay na naman kami ng taxi papuntang Boulevard.
lang yun, winter.
Winter.
Oo, pag winter lang. Ibang ano? Hindi.
Punta ka tayo ng Batangas.
Hindi. Kung gusto mo naman sa Ulea, from here, taxi ka lang sa ano. Ay, no. Ulea yun eh. Ulea Street. Yung nag-U-turn siya kanina. Oo. Taxi ba tayo? Oo, taxi tayo. Oo. Ayan guys, magta-taxi na naman kami. Itim yun eh. Oo, ganyan. Hindi, feeling ko papuntang Batayon. Nag-make up siya papuntang ano. Adams.
Parang bumalik sa
Sa Takasusi or sa Ulea mismo. Magpaano ta. Dati nung ginawa namin ni James, nagpadiretso kami taxi from doon papuntang Kingdom Tower. 50 binayad namin. Oo, sa may Kingdom Tower. Oo, malayo. Malayo na kasi talaga. Ano gini mo? Malayo yung mga limousine. Limousine. Lumikot ko nila, dire-diretso lang. So malapit na kami guys, papunta malapit na kami sa may Boulevard, Riyadh Boulevard. So nandito na kami guys sa may Riyadh Boulevard. Hina Grace? Yan yung gate dati. Magbago na. Guys. Guys, kuha muna kami ng ticket. Si Mar, tsaka si pinasukan namin guys, parang 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer yung inikot-ikutan namin. Dito na kami guys, papasok na kami sa
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into the race. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, one will never be the same. I don't
Saan ka pupunta?
But I can't control the pain. You're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Must you just stay strong and fake a smile until you look away? But a minute too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray and fade away.
So may ano? May fish market? Fish market? May otin? Otin kayo?
Ice cream, gel. Gel ice cream Allah.
Mashallah.
Oy, Wilmar!